cherry tomatoes, miniature cucumbers, red onion, mozzarella, basil leaves, Kalamata olives. Now I'm coming in with a smaller mixing bowl here. I've got half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Now I've got half a lemon here, and I am just going to juice that right in there with that extra olive oil. We're gonna put in about a teaspoon of dried oregano, a pinch of our flaky sea salt here, yum, a pinch of our ground black pepper, and I've got some balsamic vinegar here, and we are gonna add, this is a tablespoon, we're adding 2 tablespoons of this right on in there. Let's look at that little tablespoon, so cute. Alrighty, let's get this all whipped up. Y'all, we're making such a delicious treat today. I think you all are really going to like this one. It's super tasty. All my favorite flavors of cherry tomatoes, the purple or red onion, Kalamata olives, our mozzarella pearls, our basil, our mini cucumbers. Okay, I'm gonna set this to the side for a second. And we are going to start tossing this bad boy, incorporating all these beautiful colors together. Oh my goodness, isn't that gorgeous? This looks like summer. I feel like I am Diane Lane and I am under the Tuscan sun, just living my best life here. Oh, what do you think, Marty? Is this gorgeous or what?
That is gorgeous.
Guys, I'm dying for Marty to take me to Italy, but he once rented a car there while he was on vacation with his family. And then I believe one of his brothers took the car to the airport and got a speeding ticket in it. And then the speeding ticket was delivered to Marty. And so he had already just...
Yeah, I had rented, the car was rented in my name.
Yeah.
So I got the ticket from Italy. I've got a warrant. I probably have an outstanding warrant.
Well, Marty, you're ruining my Italian dreams over this. Look how beautiful that's looking. I'm gonna put just a drizzle of our balsamic glaze, just like this. So pretty. All right, guys, this is gorgeous. It is ready to serve. Let me make sure I'm getting a big heaping bowl full here with all the goodies that I like. Those mozzarella pearls. I'm gonna put some of my dressing on it now. I didn't want the whole thing to be covered in the, I got a little of that balsamic glaze drizzled, but not the full dressing with our balsamic because it just kind of like discolors things, which is delicious when you're eating it, but you know, like this. All right, let's get a bite ready. Wow, this is delicious. We use the chickpea pasta for a little bit of extra protein. Stays very al dente. So I recommend it. Y'all, you can't go wrong. You gotta try this.